Hi everyone, today we are going to make a sweet recipe. It's chocolate salami. The ingredients: tea biscuits 500 grams, 3 eggs, baking cocoa 50 grams, butter 70 grams, sugar 50 grams, vanilla sugar 80 grams, milk 250 milliliters, the zest of a lemon. The first step, we break the biscuits into medium pieces. You can also use chocolate biscuits as well, or both. Now, let's start cooking the sauce. First we add the butter and then the sugar, baking cocoa, vanilla sugar, the eggs, the milk, we stir the ingredients continuously until they become thick. At the end, we add the zest of a lemon. We let them cool down for about half an hour. We add the biscuits and mix them with the sauce. Now we start rolling the chocolate salami with plastic film. We apply pressure as we roll it. We put them in the freezer for 6 hours. See you next time with the new videos and the new recipes.